This is why the Prophet ﷺ has told us in the hadith, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he says, Ya ibn Adam, turid wa urid, wa la yakunu illa ma urid. O children of Adam, O son of Adam, you intend, you desire, and I intend. But nothing will take place except that which I intend, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. Turid wa urid, wa la yakunu illa ma urid. And the Prophet ﷺ said, Allah Azza wa Jal, he says, if you are pleased with that which I have intended for you, I will suffice you in all of those things which you intend, he says, subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you are pleased with that which I have intended for you, then I will suffice you in everything that you intend for yourself, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. This is the reality of tawakkul, and this is the reality of assigning our affairs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The ones who put their affairs in the hands of Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah will suffice them. The ones who put their affairs in the hands of other things are the same as the spider and the way the spider builds his house. Just as that spider's web is torn apart with the slightest blow of wind, in the same way, if you put your affairs in the hands of anybody else, they will also be scattered to the wind, just like the spider's web.